Alright guys, tayo mag-church today. Actually, late na ako. It's area dedication, pero feeling ko late ako dahil. Papakaputi, your order. Okay, alis na ako. Wait lang. See you later!
Happy Sabbath.
Uy, ang bait! Tayo, anong sasabi mo? Say hello to my vlog, y'all! Hi, vlog!
Arya's birthday vlog.
So, hi guys! Welcome to my
Ay,
vlog.
hindi mo dinala yan kanina.
Hindi naman masyadong dinala.
Kasi taga-picture.
Ha?
Kasi taga-picture.
Ay, sorry, I'm the
Grabe yung mga tripod niya.
Ako, sorry. Pakitaas kasi masyadong mababa.
I'm sorry.
Ganun kasi. Ay, nilapit.
Sino kakain?
Ang ganda ko. Come on.
Hi, sis.
Hi, kuya.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, girl.
Hi, kuya. Say hi. Say hi to the vlog. Hi, auntie. Wow. Wow.
God bless you.
Sorry.
Ano, mag-design naman nila.
Okay.
Oh my God!
One, two, three. 1, 2, oh, 1, 2, 3.
Nakiayos ng vlog, hindi pantay.
Marahimik ka dyan.
Ayan, nag-vlog siya. BJ, tawagin mo. Tawagin mo yung anak mo.
Sila. Oh, dali. Ay, makalapit ng vlog. Nakakaloka naman to. Diba? Napagod ako. Napagod ka ba? Dapat napagod ka.
Tulungan mo ako. Kaya to.
So the photographer is having a hard time to take a video. And so here I am. Tama, ang nagpapagulo ito. Technically. So, ayoko tumigil. Bakit ba? Say hey to my vlog, y'all. Oh my God. Hi, this is the wonderful girl. Buti ka nakasimba ka, girl. Yeah. Buti ka nakasimba din ako. Yun din yung isa kang ano. Say hello to the vlog, ate.
Hi, hello to your vlog. Vlog, whatever.
Yes! The energy is energy. Ito, dali. Medyo malaki yung ano nito.
No. Ano, please? No exposure, please.
Ay, okay. Celebrity! Ay, hindi siya pa ako. Hindi siya ready. You're
Naka-on ba yan?
on. Yung naka-ready yan. Dapat dumami yung
Hindi ka nag-record nung nag-ano sila. Nung nag-wido-wido sila.
wido-wido. Ano yun?
Yung kanina, yung nag-record.
Girl, wala ako nun. Ay, yung pinalipad ko. Nag-pick up ako ng pagkain. Sorry. Hi girl.
May tanong pala ako. Hi, vlog!
What's the question?
Pero mamaya na.
Oh, sige. Gusto mo i-eri ko? Guys, may tanong siya, pero mamaya na.
Okay, hindi.
Sasabihin ko sa
Sige.
inyo kung ano.
Ipapakita ko sa vlog.
Ay, sige.
Yung kasama ko kahapon.
Sino kahapon? Saan ako kahapon?
May date ka kahapon.
Saan ako kahapon? Ay! Kahapon?
Sige, isipin mo.
Okay. Si Ate Trisha yon kahapon.
Ututo ka din.
Ay, sorry. Sorry, I'm very...
Kain ka na.
Ay, sige, kakain na ako. Charot. Sige, kain muna tayo. Ay, ate. Hi, Ari. Hi, oh, nagre-hello siya.
Halika, Sin.
Ay! Sorry, busy ako mag-vlog. Ay, ito! May purpose to.
Sabay ka na lang kayo, Susan.
Oo, same drop niya ako sa bahay. Hindi ba kayo? Hindi ba kayo sa... Hindi ko nakatingin ng...
Ay, hello.
Hi, Ari!
Hi, Ari. Sorry, busy. Ito yung ninang mo. Pasensya na. Ito lang yung kaya namin.
Wow, tingnan mo. Inirapan tayo.
Oh, di ba?
Inirapan tayo.
Inirapan kami, guys.
Wow!
Arya, inirapan mo.
Bata-bata.
Ari, yes, ganun.
Nasaan na ba?
Ano ba? Tara na, ano? Napawisan ako, oh my God. Halika dito. Ikaw yung hinahanap ko. Hoy! Asan? Tara na, kain na tayo.
Ah, sige, kain muna tayo.
Hi! What's up? What's...
Uy, bakit ganito na to?
Ganyan siya.
Ayan na, go.
Sorry, the vlog is unvlogging. So, yeah, hello vlog. Welcome to the vlog here and...
Sin, are you sure it's recording?
Yeah, it's recording.
Recording.
Okay.
This is not vlog anymore. I'm so
Nawawala ka na ng English, Sin.
Yes, my English is not.
Bakit siya nagbablog?
Ba, tama naman. Ang ganda.
No camera, please.
Ay,
Wow!
arte.
Celebrity!
The celebrity.
Sino to? Sino to? Sino to? No, si Tomo yan. Siya nag-ano.
Ay, si Tommy yung nag-ano nito?
Ay, inaano talaga. Sabi niya, I did not recognize you. I'm like, really? You did so good with the hair. You know, she said, no, because you have makeup. Ay!
Hello?
I'm like, oh, so it's the makeup, but I complimented her with the hair.
Paano mo tinake yun?
I just said, oh, really?
Hi, Mr. Let's go. Mag-hello ka muna sa vlog.
Hey, happy birthday to me
Ay!
and to you.
Okay,
Thank
cut.
you.
Cut.
Cut. Okay, sasabihin mo. Oh, vlog.
Happy birthday! Good luck to everybody.
Sino may birthday?
Yes.
Amen.
Okay,
Amen.
cut.
Ayoko na to. Ate, magsalita ka. Ate, magsalita ka muna.
Bahala, kasi ako yung cameraman.
No, vlogger. Vlogger. Ikaw.
Hi, vlog. How are you, vlog?
Ay, ang dami. Hey. Yeah, okay. Sige, wait. Ito muna. Oh, ito to.
Ginagamit ka ni Susain ko yan.
Para may clickbait kuya. Clickbait.
Hi. Happy Delegation Day.
Yan.
Siya lang yung tumama. Siya
Kaya
lang
nga, ikaw lang yung tumama. Puro happy
Good job.
birthday.
Good
Galing
job,
ako
kuya.
Kain na, gutom na ako
Sige, kumain ka na. Ito. Pakita mo kung gaano ka
Hoy, ang dami palang food mo.
Ang dami.
Hindi ako nag-breakfast and dinner.
Ay, ang ganda mo dito, te.
Ah! Pakiulit?
Tapon mo yan. Tapon
Iba na
mo.
talaga pag kaya na yung camera. Hindi na iPhone.
I know.
I don't use the iPhone. Sorry, I'm Android. Ikaw, kumuha ka na.
Hindi ako kakain.
Ay, bakit diet ka?
Oo.
May ulcer.
Anong
Guys,
ulcer? Wala
may-
akong ulcer.
Ay,
Ano ba yan?
kumain ka na.
Ako sa mukha.
Ito, pakisabi mo nga. Ano sasabihin mo sa camera? Oo.
Hi, camera.
Ay,
Okay.
ang dami.
That's my dad.
Oh, that's her dad. Look at her. Eh.
Susi, kumuha ka na lahat. Tapos mait.
Ay, say hello to sa kay Uncle. Ay, dapat everyday pala ito pag-vlog dito.
Happy birthday!
Kumain ka na.
Ito. Oh, pangalawa niya na to, guys.
Uy, tama na. Malaki na yung bayad na ito pangalawang appearance.
Yeah, magkano? Ay, ito. Kuya, say hello to yung
Ay! May secret yan.
may secret
May
yan.
secret yan. May ginawa po yung kasalanan.
May sinatago.
Ayun na si Tito.
Uy, ang sexy niya ate. I like you.
Dapat yung sexy ang i-ano mo.
Oh, look at her. Oh, wow, naka-nails siya. Look at her. Oh, wow! Kunyari konti. kakain. Saan tayo mag-ano? Hindi pa yan lobat?
Hindi pa.
Uy, huwag mo pakita.
May autofocus siya. Ang ganda.
May autofocus. Sige. Wala ka niya ba?
May autofocus siya.
So, ano ka? Ate, ano masasabi mo sa vlog?
About it. Kaya, hi, happy Sabbath.
Yung ate ang pinakamatino.
Kaya nga
Bakit sa kanila puro happy birthday? Ano masasabi mo?
Saan? Sa vlog ko. I think it's very surprising that she's doing this.
Ito mo, yung hair niya. Ang ganda. She's a Marimar.
Hi, Mara. Charka.
Mari.
This was inspired by Ate Tomo.
Ay.
Told me to use a certain mousse that I'm
Ah.
keeping a secret. I'm gatekeeping it.
Ay, wag mo i-gatekeep.
I-gatekeep ko bakit?
Hindi, i-gate on mo.
Sige, push mo yan.
I-gate on mo.
How about i-gate off ka?
Ay, wag mo i-gate off. Hindi, pipilitin natin niya para may magawa ako. Yeah. Oh, dito tayo. Next one. Next one. Ay, ang dami na itong ang dami na itong exposure sinasabi ko sa inyo.
Huwag mo kong i-expose.
Bakit expose na kita? It's time.
The first one was snack.
Ay,
This
oo
is
nga.
just snack.
This is just, guys, mayroon pa to. 10 yan, guys. Guys, 10 yun. Ginawa niya lang 2 para
Alam
medyo.
mo, sinungaling talaga to.
Ano ka ba? Ay, yung ano, yung...
Hi, Chat.
Ano kay Chat?
Welcome to my mukbang.
Zoom in naman natin.
Ang daming mukbang. Ayoko na manood. Wah. May tunog, may tunog. Paano yung tunog? Paano? Wah. Nagra-rams ako. Ay, ito yung crush ko.
Sino crush mo?
What can you say? Look at her. Bakit lahat kayo naka-wear ng ganito? Hindi kayo nag-inform sa akin.
Where's yours?
I mean,
know,
everybody is
where's
sitting,
mine?
but like
Where's
it's not
my
like a
question
one big table. It's like
Huwag ka
a
tumingin sa akin, sa camera ka lang.
you know, like a everywhere.
Bakit ba? Gusto ko tumingin sa...
Are you actually gonna upload something besides?
Hindi naman exposure. Malay mo, di ba, ma-upload ko like next year.
In the archive.
Ang ganda niya
Yeah,
ate.
sina-archive. Wag ka, ang ganda mo dati. Ano masasabi mo? Ayan na naman siya. Jesus is here.
Sino next?
Ito, oo. Pakita, i-zoom in mo yung pagsubo. Ayan na, ayan. Ano masasabi mo, Alex? Sa ngayon, sa live. Wow. Anda, na-inspiration. 2025 Eddie Wow by Ate Shram. Oh, wow.
Ay, si Kaloy, si Kaloy. Magtatapon siya, istorbahin mo.
Gawin mo!
Ay.
Ay! Uy, ang tapat
Wala
niya!
kang gusto sabihin sa girl mo. Oh, kala mo nanonood, manonood.
Hindi, siya.
How's your love life?
How was your life?
Your love life.
Okay lang. Going steady.
What?
Hey, go.
Let's break it. Jakot.
Wait. Cut.
Nag-ano siya?
I love samosa.
Hey!
I love samosa.
Oh, okay, next one. Shell, you're the chance.
Scotch, thanks.
You stink. What can you say? Girl. Pakita ko sa inyo ang pinakamagandang babae. Ano yan? Shirataki rice. Diet? Pang diet? Yeah. Gusto mo?
Uy, what do you want me to
sa'yo,
say
te.
daw?
Say something. This is...
Happy Sabbath!
Ay, ang sarap.
Happy Prize to
Ayun yun.
Arya! And you guys!
25 isang ganyan.
Ay,
25?
I want to know if your boyfriend already.
Ay!
Even the one who
Not applicable, sabihin mo.
Not applicable.
Not applicable.
No comment.
Ibenta mo na, tita. Oh.
Ha?
25 te?
Ah,
Okay, try.
guys, meron dito for sale.
Masarap siya.
May
Low
mga for
carbs.
sale dito.
Gano'n kadami ang rice mo?
Ang seryoso nila.
Boil yung water ha? Lagay mo sa bowl na maliit. Tapos mix mo kunti. Tabunan mo lang siya ng agad. 15 minutes.
Pero lulutuin mo pa siya rice ko kung hindi na. Sa bola.
Sa work ako nagdadala. Itong rice ko.
So guys, please
Dried siya.
super. So,
Sponsored siya.
sponsor by
Ako yung graphic designer nito, guys!
Ikaw nagawa?
Ako nag-design niya ang nag-ano eh.
Oh my God! Graphic designer is my God.
Benta mo na.
Buy now and please like this video so you can buy down there. In this link. What can you say? How was the process?
It was painful.
How did you get in this?
Actually, somebody showed me what they wanted it to look like, and I just did what they wanted with a different color palette.
Wow! So, dapat nilagyan mo by Nika.
Actually, they messed up the printing. It's not supposed to be this far. It's supposed to be closer to the bowl. So the printing press messed up my
So
design.
you mean this?
Yeah, that's supposed to be
Wait, this
closer.
is yours? Dried shirataki. You know Ate is selling this. At the gym.
Oh,
You're selling this?
no, I designed it, but they're selling it.
But then, you get a bunch of...
Yeah, I have like 5 boxes. Guys,
Uy, bigay mo na lang sa akin.
is your name? You wanna try it? No, it's not.
Ay, bakit wala? No, you don't have it.
Oh my God, I'm so proud of you, girl.
Oh my God! Good job. So, it's by Nika, guys.
First of
Please
all,
buy now.
I'm just telling you guys, at first I was very skeptical about it, but it's actually really good. You know, it's so instant. It's more instant than instant rice.
Oh, really?
And it has like a sushi rice texture.
Yeah, it's like sushi.
It's really good.
So, guys, please buy now.
Which one did you do? The whole thing? Everything.
Oh,
Ako namili ng mga rice.
yeah, you should toast it. Copy. Guys, the editor said that she hated it.
Exactly. Honestly, if I had like creative freedom with the packaging, I would have done something more modern.
Alam mo yung nauuso sa Pilipinas na mga ano?
At least,
Kasi they did different sizes.
Hindi nila ako pinapansin eh. Alam mo yung ano yung sa Pilipinas, yung mga beauty drinks now na pampapayat.
Yan, marami nang ganun sa Pilipinas.
I know.
Hindi ko namin alam yun. Nobody knew.
nobody knew. You should have. Guys, that's edited by Nika. So please buy now and credited by Nika. She's really good. May spacing na siya kasi self-distancing. Tapos ito, nag-ipatan. Please like this video too. This coffee is really sweet.
Bye, beautiful ladies.
Why you're leaving?
Because I'm alive.
Ingat ate.
Shout out kay Ken. Ken! Shout out to you, girl. Why you're not here?
Sinong girl?
She's a girl or she's a man? Girl or man? How would you translate yourself? Are you a girl, he or her? An it. She's a bagay. Kasi bagay kami. Oh, 2 points. Bagay kami ni Ken. Alam mo yung cameraman, grabe. Sometimes I'm like leveling, sometimes it's not.
No! Huwag mo nang pansinin yung camera skills ko kasi nga, akong bahala.
Ay,
Ako yung director mo. Huwag mo itapat!
tapat mo sa
Ako magtatapat.
Para like in the future, we can have emoji. a meme, y'all. This is the face.
Wala akong emoji, emote lang ako.
And this is my son, y'all. The son that doesn't go out from my womb.
Ano daw?
Ano?
I feel so hurt.
Bakit siya na-hurt? Ah, hurt ako.